Yeah, what's up? Good morning. This is the day. Punta kami sa La Union para sa kasal ni Pat sa kaning Isko. If you wanna join us, join now.
Let's go. Come here.
Wala bang lalagyan dyan ng water?
Hi, Polo.
Okay.
Yung sa friend ko doon, taga-Nigeria.
First stop over. I don't know where Shell. What Shell is this? So yeah. Ano to? CR break sa breakfast?
Yes.
Okay.
Masarap din sa Henlin. I love Henlin. Ang sarap ng siomai tsaka ng sabaw. Today is the day my best friend will get married.
Hanap lang kami foods. Okay. Breakfast is done. Short break is over. Going back to the field. Kaparing araw. Time check. 4:28. Baligtad man. See you later. Second stop. Kaidlip konti. Kaya hindi ko alam. I don't know where I am. Let me see the map. There we are. So, almost there. Where La Union na. La Union. The land of the beaches. Beaches. Finally here.
Menard.
Ito na kami.
I thought it was Sagwan Baybay.
Sagwan Baybay.
Oh, it's kind of stony here. You hear that? It's stony.
So sabi daw, sunduin daw kami dito. Sagwan Baybay. Isa sa mga beachfronts or resort owner beachfront something sa La Union. So waiting lang kami, paikot-ikot sila. They keep spinning and spinning and spinning around. Something's happening. I don't know what's gonna happen, so good luck. Mamaya na ulit. Accommodation.
Naayusan pa lang siya, hindi pa siya naka-makeup talaga eh. Skincare pa lang. Close na natin. This is the room. So, pwede ko ito buksan para may liwanag yung makeup niya. Dilaw. Dilaw talaga, no?
Gusto mo, buksan mo yung emergency lights.
Wala kang ano, yung puti, yung puti na mo.
Ay, ko nadala eh.
Masyado madami.
Sige na, kainan na kayo.
Labas tayo.
Ay, sa Suzanne.
Ay, hello po. Nandun po. Tawagin ko na po ba? Kasi parang sineset up niya po yung space niya for yung mag-makeup.
Okay.
Ready na po daw ba ang space for the makeup?
Sino ayos yun? Ay, hello.
Sino?
Ay!
Let's look at the beach, man. It's a good place. Whoa. Let's see the beach. Wanna see? It's the background. I hope you guys can hear the waves. Yeah. Side. It's the right side. There's a river. Yeah. Here's the waves. It is a dried up estuarine. Hanggang sa bakasyon, nag-walk ka din. Joke lang. I'm not walking. Just looking. There's a bench here. The benches. Estuarine. Ilog. Dried up ilog. Suppliers, maybe? Fine. 909. Yeah, I'm not supposed to walk with my dress shoes, if you can see it. Dress shoes. Not ideal. Sayang. Sayang ang shoes. Good thing I got them for sale. So we're here. It's a church. Sa nilapat sa Anisco. It's a good church. Good weather din. Yeah. Mabas lang ako saglit. Malapit na mag-start. Mga 1 o'clock. So, let's do it.
vlogger. Oo, nagbablog na kami.
Oo nga, kinarinig mo na lahat na.
Chamalo. Mas, ano siya, recommendable. Okay, saan yung Chanel? Ano po kayo? Hindi. Ano kayo?
Ito?
Yes. Ay, ang bango nito. Ako bombshell. Itong bombshell. Magkano package ng perfume bar?
Guard.
Card? Card ka.
Contact.
Ito yung aking bombshell.
Dito po tayo sa harapan. Ang kaganda naman. Para kung nanonood ng Miss Universe Philippines. Palakong kasal, we have Shawn Michael and Patricia, our Mr. and Mrs. De La Cruz. Shawn, put your hands in the air. There you have it. Mamaya sir, dyan po tayo sa gitna.
There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold of the night.
Yeah, so tapos na yung wedding and pauwi na rin kami. I'm not sure kung makapag-video pa ako later kasi madilim na and baka umuulan. Pero let's see. Pero uwi na kami. Thanks! See you soon!